Hello travelers, I am on vacation in Jamaica, West Indies, and I am staying at Riu Aquarelle in our oceanfront king bedroom. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, to the right of the door, we'll go into this area, and in this area we will find the toilet. So it is in a room all by itself, and you will have additional toilet paper as well. Coming out of this room, now we will go into the bathroom. In this bathroom, we will find our counter. There's two sinks here, a big mirror for more than one person to use. You'll find your towel rack for your hand towel, additional towels beneath for your body. On top, you will find glasses and your face rags, and another towel rack over here in this corner with a hand towel, a small mirror here, and they use aqua senses for their liquid soap and their hand and body lotion. Here you will find your hair dryer on the wall, and behind me it is the shower. Now please note that there is no tub in this room, and in here you will find your shower gel, your shampoo, and your conditioner. Leaving out of the room now, right away you will see this area here. You can ask for a dummy key, meaning a key that cannot access your room, because I have a problem sometimes where I will leave my room and be locked out of my room because I left my key here. If you take it out, it will deactivate the lights in the room. If you put it back in, it will be able to turn on the lights in the room. Here, right next to it, is the bar area. All of these drinks this mini bar has is included in the price of this all-inclusive hotel. Here on this counter, you'll find your coffee pot, big bottles of water. You'll find glasses and your bucket for your ice. All of that is included. The water bottles, no additional charge. And here is this fridge filled up with different items for you to use. Once again, included in the price, no additional charge. Going now into the bedroom area, right away, right here, you will find your thermostat. And in the bedroom area, we will have here our king size bed. On each side of the bed, you will find lamps as well as storage, and you will find your telephone next to the bed. Next to the bed is this closet, nice size, big size closet. You'll find two robes. You have your ironing board. Your iron is at the bottom, hangers, and space for storage as well. As I slide this over, you will find over here in this corner will be your safe and additional storage as well, and more hangers. And if you get cold at night, here is a comforter for you to use. Here is a nice size mirror for you to use. It is a big size to me. It is elevated. It's not necessarily huge in terms of height, but since it's elevated off the ground, it is a really great mirror. If somebody's in the bathroom and then you're able to then use this mirror right here and get ready. Here's a lamp here. Here you will find also next to it your television. Beneath the television will be further storage for your clothes. And I love this area right here. You could put your luggage on top of it. You don't have to put your luggage on the floor or some other counter. And then you could unpack and then take your luggage off and put it in the corner. Or you can put your luggage in the closet as well. Beneath it, you will find additional storage. Going further now into the room, this area here, like a little living room area for you. A nice little sofa, a table in front. Behind it, you will find these mirrors and a lamp above the sofa. This area you can use to eat, and Since it is an oceanfront room, let us go outside on the balcony and check out the view from this room. Now, just be careful coming down into the balcony. This is a nice size balcony. Look at all this space that you get here. 2 chairs here, a place that you could put your feet on, or maybe rest or drink or food if you want to eat out here. There's additional space, a little bit of space over in here that you can use to just look at additional views. And this is the view from this balcony. That is Riu, the pool, and you can see the areas that is surrounding Riu. It is a little bit of windy today. So I'm going to go back into the room and do a once over of the room. So what do you think about the room? I think it is a nice size room. It has plenty of storage, and I love the view from the balcony. Family, can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.